On your Windows 11 operating system, you might be getting errors while upgrading or reinstalling MySQL 8 database server. Or you might want to completely uninstall MySQL 8 database server from Windows 11 operating system. If that's the case, this tutorial is for you. Hi, my name is Pradnyankur Nikam. I am a freelance web developer and Udemy instructor. In this video tutorial, we will step by step learn how to completely uninstall or remove MySQL 8 database server from Windows 11 operating system. Let's get started. On Windows 11 operating system, go to Start, All Apps, MySQL and click to open MySQL 8.0 command line client window. Enter MySQL root user password to log in to MySQL 8 server. And we are logged in to our MySQL root user account. Before we uninstall MySQL 8 database server, the very first thing I would suggest is to backup any existing databases. You may be learning SQL or working on MySQL projects. Once you remove the MySQL 8 database server, all your data would be gone. So be careful before uninstalling MySQL 8 database. I will execute SQL statement to display all databases. Show databases semicolon, press enter. In previous video we created this PnTutorials database. I'm gonna backup this database. In your case you might have one or more databases. Let's backup all these databases. If you don't have any database, then you don't need to worry about this step. You can directly skip to the next step. Let's log out of root user account using exit statement. Now in Windows 11 search, type cmd and click this Run as Administrator option. Press yes to allow the application. Minimize the Windows command prompt window and go to C drive, Program Files folder, MySQL, MySQL Server 8.0 and bin directory. Please note, if you have installed MySQL 8 in a different drive or different path, make sure you navigate to the respected MySQL 8 installation path and open the bin folder. Now click this top folder icon and right click and select copy to copy the MySQL 8 bin folder path. Close the bin folder and open the Windows command prompt window. In Windows command prompt, enter cd space and right click to paste the MySQL 8 bin folder path. Press enter to change the directory to MySQL 8 bin folder. Now on this bin folder prompt, enter MySQL dump space dash u space root space dash p space dash dash all dash databases greater than symbol space and in double quotes enter the full path to save the backup file. In my case, I would save the backup file on my desktop, but you can save it to any location you want. In my case, the path is capital C : / users / my username. In my case, it's Pradnyankur Nikam / desktop / and the file name, I will name the file as alldb.sql. Double quotes complete. This is the command to backup all the databases in MySQL 8 database server. We will learn more about database export, import and its command in a separate tutorial. For now, just enter the command as it is. Press enter. Enter MySQL root user password. Press enter. And if we don't receive any error message, then we should have a backup file on the desktop. Keep this file safe for import purposes. I will close the Windows command prompt window. Now let's move to the uninstall step. Before we uninstall MySQL 8 database server from Windows 11 operating system, we must disable or stop MySQL 8 server instance. Let's do it now. In Windows 11 search, type services and click to open the services window. On this services window, under name column, scroll down until you find MySQL 8.0 instance. For this MySQL instance, under status column, you can see it is in running state. If the instance is in running state, select the MySQL 8.0 instance and click Stop Service button from the top menu. If the MySQL instance doesn't show the status or it is in a stop state, it means we have successfully disabled or stopped the MySQL 8 server instance. Close the services window. Now on Windows 11 search, enter Control Panel. Click the Control Panel icon to open the Control Panel window. On the Control Panel window, under Programs, click to open the Uninstall a Program window. On Uninstall a Program window, first select MySQL Workbench 8.0 CE and click this top Uninstall button. Press Yes to allow the application to run. Again, Yes to continue. It should take less than a minute to uninstall MySQL 8 Workbench. Similarly, this time select MySQL Server 8.0 and click the Uninstall button. Press Yes to allow the application to run. Again, Yes to continue. And finally, select MySQL Installer Community and select the Uninstall button. Press Yes to proceed. Again, Yes to continue. Here we successfully uninstalled MySQL Workbench, MySQL Server and MySQL Installer. Close the Control Panel window. Though we uninstall MySQL Server and its related applications, we still have some related files like database files and some configuration files, etc. Let's delete those files or directories to completely remove the MySQL database from our Windows 11 computer. Open C drive. From the top menu, click View, Show and select this Hidden Items option. Now we should be able to view hidden files and folders on C drive. Now one by one go to MySQL directories and delete if the directory exists. I have given the list of directories in the description or resources of this video. Go to C, Program Files and delete this MySQL folder. Similarly, go to C, Program Files x86, MySQL. If you find a MySQL folder here, delete it. In my case, the directory doesn't exist. Now go to C, Program Data, MySQL and delete the folder. If for some reason you can't delete the folder, restart your computer and try to delete it again. Now go to C, Users, Username, in my case it's Pradnyankur Nikam, App Data, and if you find a MySQL folder here, delete it. Also go to Roaming folder and if you find a MySQL folder here, delete it. Now go back to C drive and change the folder permission back to previous state. From the top menu, View, Show and uncheck this Hidden Items option. Close the C drive window and finally empty Recycle bin to permanently delete the MySQL 8 database related directories. Here we successfully uninstalled MySQL 8 database and removed database related files from Windows 11 operating system. Here in this video tutorial, we learned how to completely uninstall or remove MySQL 8 database server from Windows 11 operating system. I hope you understood the uninstall steps given in this video tutorial. If you have any doubts or encounter errors or didn't understand something, you can ask me questions in the comment section of this video. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.